Hey guys, Kim here of YugaTech, and a couple weeks ago, Vivo brought to the Philippines the first ever smartphone to sport an in-display fingerprint scanner called the X21. It is a pretty powerful phone packed with Super AMOLED display, hi-fi audio, Snapdragon 660 chipset, and not to mention its premium build and attractive design. It also comes with AI features that truly raises the bar in the premium mid-range category. If you want to know more about this phone's AI capabilities, then keep on watching. First off, we have the AI Face Axis. Aside from the in-display fingerprint scanner, Vivo also has this feature which uses an intelligent algorithm to scan your 3D facial features and unlock the phone as fast as 0.1 second. It uses an infrared module to unlock the phone during nighttime and when there's minimal light available. The X21 is rocking a 12-megapixel dual-pixel PDAF main shooter accompanied by a 5-megapixel secondary. As for selfies, it has a 12-megapixel front camera. Both cameras are equipped with AI Face Beauty, which is an upgrade to Vivo's Face Beauty. This feature enhances your portraits that is right for your gender and skin color. You can even use the portrait bokeh to add artificial blur to your photos, or even play with the AI Face Beauty sticker and transform yourself into a dog, a princess, or an evil cat. There are also moments when you have to take photos against the light, which usually results to under or overexposed subjects. The X21 can handle this situation with AI HDR, which can detect ambient light intensity and adjust the photos automatically for properly exposed shots. The X21 also uses AI to properly manage its resources. The feature is called AI Smart Engine that familiarizes itself with the user's preferences and tailors its settings accordingly. It allocates system resources in real time to enhance power efficiency and performance. It also manages all apps running in the background and prioritizes memory space to commonly used apps. If you're a mobile gamer, then you'll probably enjoy X21's AI Game Mode. This feature lets you play games without any interruption. All you have to do is just access the quick launch menu and activate the game mode. Someone messaged you while playing? No problem, as you can respond to them while still playing. You can even stay on calls without stopping the game. Now, how cool is that? Hello, I'm playing. And there you go. If you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Once again, this is Kim of YugaTech, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!